How to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on our three dots over here on the top right and click on settings. Over here, as you can see, I have the option recover account. So if you click this, or if you check out your Gmail account, means that you will be able to recover any codes that you have lost through your email account. But it is needed that you have enabled cloud backup before you were able to delete any codes or before you lost any code. So this is a very important thing. So unfortunately, if you have this turned off and you lost your codes, you won't be able to have or a way to recover those codes. So ensure that you have your cloud backup always enabled to ensure that you will be able to protect your codes and protect your Microsoft Authenticator app in case of any losses. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.